I ain't shooting no video till I'm done smoking.
Shazam!
Blicky, blicky, blicky.
I hope your day was good. I hope your day was good. I hope your day was good.
Check it out.
I can't stop thinking about you. I hope your day was good. I hope your day was good. I hope your day was good.
What's good, everybody? This your boy Chef EBT, and I'd like to welcome y'all to the 7th episode of Burnt Stove TV. Now today I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy. We finna party today, y'all. Why is that? Because we about to make banana French toast, baby. That's how we rockin' today. We doing banana French toast. You know what I'm saying? Tune in. We doing Frenchy today. But I'm gonna need y'all to like, share, and subscribe for me, people. Now let's get into these ingredients. First, we're gonna have your bread of choice. You feel me? Then we're gonna get into one banana, 1.5 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of banana extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you use the powdered sugar as you desire when it's done. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And that's about all for the French toast, people. That is about all. So these are your ingredients. I'm gonna leave them up here a little bit so y'all can implant them in the brain. So we won't have to keep going back to this. Also, we're gonna need 2 to 3 eggs for our French toast batter. And you know I'm just not gonna make French toast, people. You know, it's just gonna be a decent sized breakfast for a king is what's about to happen. You know what I'm saying? I always gotta have my bacon. I don't know if they have beef bacon, turkey bacon is gross, but you know how that go. So, on the hour off, we're gonna chop up this onion. And this onion is basically gonna be for the beef kielbasa. Oh, look at that bacon. It is beautiful. Tell me it ain't. Put in the comments if it ain't. Don't you lie. Don't you lie. That looks good. I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil to lubricate our pans. You know what I'm talking about? And this pan is gonna be for my potatoes. Of course, yeah, I do use the fork, the old school fork. Add onions to the grease. The olive oil. Add a little salt. Then we're gonna throw the cheap potatoes on and let them cook to however you desire their taste. Tell me that baby don't look good. Like, share, and subscribe, people. Now, you season this how you want to season it. This is a French toast segment, so we're not gonna get into that. I like my bacon crispy, and that's how we're gonna do it. Juicy, crispy bacon. Ooh, I love me some bacon. Bacon makes me excited. Again, we get our cheap potatoes cooking. Keep an eye on them. We're gonna cut our kielbasas down the middle, in the halves. And then when we're done with the bacon, we're gonna use the same pan. We're gonna use the bacon grease to put the kielbasas and onions on. We don't waste dishes around here. Can't do that, baby. But yeah, we're gonna brown those kielbasas. It's almost like a tradition to burn them a little bit. So we're gonna cook those real good. They're the cheap potatoes. They're done now, but you want to cook them to you desire them, the way you want them. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna add our eggs as we get into this French toast journey right here. We're gonna add our sugar. We're gonna add our banana extract. We're gonna add our vanilla extract, which I didn't show you earlier, but it's there. Cinnamon, our ground cinnamon. I don't know if I did it on this one, but you're gonna add that salt here too. You're gonna add your milk. Check on the kielbasa sausages. They look beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Some people burn them too much. You don't want to barbecue grill burn them. You know, boom. When they done, that's how they supposed to look. Just a little burn. You know, we're gonna get ridiculous with it. We're not gonna put a turtle shell on it. So that's how our batter looks. Once we have everything together, mix. I only use 2 eggs and a little bit of milk for a little batter. You add as you go along, as you give and take what you need. You know how I go. Whip game strong. These are my eggs. I'm gonna have another segment on how to make eggs. There's so many various ways to make eggs. But this is just the way I chose to do it on this one. I add milk to all of my eggs. Salt. Some people salt during the process, after the process, before. I don't think it matters. Mentally, some people think it does, but whatever. Whip, 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 whip. So these are the French toast. You know, we use I use vegetable oil. I didn't use olive oil for this one. Get that pan nice and hot, people. And then we apply the French toast to the metal. It's almost like heavy metal, you know what I'm talking about? I added like 2 tablespoons of margarine to my pan for my eggs. So I want to be nice and light and fluffy, you know what I'm talking about? Eggs is one thing you babysit, people. Just keep your eye on it. Keep your eye on it. Flip these French toasts when they're ready. If you flip them a little early, it don't matter. You can always double back and flip them one more time, you know? So just check them out. Don't do what I did, put your finger in there. You'll burn off your fingerprints. All right, people, we partying in here now. Let's wash these eggs. We don't want these eggs to burn. It's nothing worse than a burnt egg. On the real, people, y'all know what I'm talking about. What you see, Chef EBT got them things looking brutal Brutal eggs. You feel me? Say it with me. Brutal eggs, baby. So we get those done and we gonna just, they say take them off the heat. We just turn the heat off. Get your French toast off. Look at those Frenchies. We Frenchy in the building today, baby. This is a real party. You feel me? This is a real party. And the breakfast looks hearty. You feel me? There's the cheap hash browns. There's my nice fluffy eggs. I put the cheese in after. You can put it in there before if you want, however you want to do it. This segment's about those things, though. Look at that. Look at that. Sorry about my powdered sugar game. I had nothing to sift it with. But you know how it go. You know, when you do it, make it look beautiful, too. You know what I'm saying? If mine look less beautiful, then you making it beautiful. Just follow these guidelines, baby. And you'll be right there in the dough. You know what I'm talking about? So I use the napkin for grease. You know how it go. Just like I use a fork to flip the bacon. It's a traditional thing, you know? But look at that. Look at the iPhone XR got some good footage for y'all. I'm talking about, that's what you call that, real time. Well, it ain't real time now, but that's real time. It goes along with what's going on right now, so I ain't worried about it. Breakfast is breakfast. There's many ways to do breakfast, but this is a banana French toast breakfast, man. We Frenching up in here, y'all. We Frenching up in here. You know, we got the strawberry variations and all kind of ways you can do it, but today we did banana. Look at that kielbasa, looking great. Man, y'all, I really, let me tell you, I really enjoyed this breakfast. I was super full off of it. It's nice and hearty, y'all, nice and hearty. But let's not take away from what the real deal is and what it's really about. That's these banana French toast, people. Look at them. They beautiful. They are beautiful. I can say it, they're beautiful, but they are beautiful. You feel? Banana French toast. All right, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in, man. Next time you get your EBT turned on, go to Walmart, get your food, bring it back home. Do it yourself. It tastes better, baby. All 2021, we're not giving these people our money. Love y'all.
It may, seem like I don't care. And I use you for your money. Please don't feel like you a dummy. Cause you know it ain't true.